Hey, what is up? This is me, the iTech HQ, and today we're going to be taking a look at macOS Sierra hidden features and tips and tricks. Now, I've been using macOS Sierra since beta 1, I believe, and I've not been able to find that many hidden features. So I'm just going to combine some of the less known features with some of the major features and some tips and tricks here and there, and I hope you guys will enjoy this video. Now, first of all, let's talk about Siri. So you can sort of ask Siri a lot of commands, and you can invoke Siri by function and space. So what's the time in Australia? Turn down the brightness a little bit. So as you guys can see, you can ask Siri to do system functions as well, which is actually pretty neat. However, invoking Siri just by using these keyboard shortcuts isn't the best way to enable or invoke any voice assistants. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually invoke Siri by using like a key phrase such as "Hey Siri" or "Hello Siri." Hey Siri, what's...
Sorry, I didn't get that.
Hey Siri, what's the time in London?
In London, England, it's 7:49 a.m.
So as you guys can see, it's actually very nice just to be able to invoke Siri by saying "Hey Siri" or "Hello Siri." So in order to invoke this, go over to System Preferences, then Accessibility, then Dictation, and over here you would want to go and check in, enable the dictation keyword phrase, and type here "Hey" or "Hello," whatever you can say. So I'm going to say "Hey," and this is going to invoke Siri. I will enable advanced commands as well, so I can enable advanced commands. Then just tap that plus button. Then over there, go ahead and write Siri. So when I say Siri and any application, and I will, and under perform, select any application or Siri application that is. So just select the Siri application, and that's pretty much it. So when you say "Hey," it's going to invoke the dictation, and then when you say Siri, it's going to invoke the Siri app. Next, I'm going to talk about picture-in-picture mode. So just double or right-click twice on any video in Safari, and you'll be able to enter picture-in-picture mode. And then you can resize the window, and then you can snap it anywhere you like, around just in the corners basically. But if you want to snap it anywhere on the screen, then just tap or just press the command button, and then you can just go ahead and drag in the window anywhere you like, release the command button, and it's going to stay right there. Next, I'm going to talk about this new sorting functionality. So as you guys can see, I've got folders, documents, pictures, and I've arranged them by name. As you guys can see, they are arranged by name, but the folders are also mixed up. However, if you go to Finder, you go to Preferences, you go to Advanced, you have the new option of keeping the folders on the top. So the folders will always be on the top, even when you arrange your documents by name. So then all my movies and pictures are below them. And again, folders are also arranged by name as well. Now, the next feature I'm going to talk about is that now if you press the volume button or the volume icon on the status bar, you can actually sort of change, or you can just select your output device from here. Previously, you have to press Option and Volume. Now, if you press Option and then click this volume button, you get the option of selecting input device as well. So this is actually pretty neat. Next, I want to talk about the notification center. As you guys can see that we have this wider tint to it, so it's a different theme and it looks a lot better as well, as you guys can see. And we also have these new widgets as well for Twitter. So overall, it's a very good refined. Also, now we have RAID compatibility again with macOS Sierra. It was removed with OS X El Capitan. Next, I want to talk about this new Manage, the storage management, which is probably the best feature of macOS Sierra. So just like in Windows, you get this sort of this very nice panel where you can delete or uninstall applications right from one area. So as you guys can see, this is the recommendations. So you can do all these recommendations as well, but then you can go to applications, and over here it's going to show you all the applications. And then those can be from the App Store, those can be downloaded from anywhere else. And as you guys can see, we can simply uninstall them right from here. You can also see iOS backups over here, documents, iCloud backups, and iTunes, mail stuff, photos. So this is probably the better way of just getting some space back and freeing up some space on your Mac. Next, we'll talk about that now you can actually set a default font size as well for a Notes app. So as you can see, just go to Notes Preferences and you'll be able to get this slider so you can select the font size. Lastly, I want to talk about that now you can rearrange icons as well on the status bar, and those could be third-party icons as well. So previously you can just do that with the Apple icons, but now you can rearrange icons on the status bar no matter if they are third-party or not. So guys, that's pretty much it from this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Just a small little video combining all the hidden features, some smaller, less known features, and some tips and tricks as well. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye bye.